Hey guys, and welcome back to
Vlogmas Day 3.
So today we've woke up with good news.
Yes, good news.
Good vibes.
Good vibes. We started the day off.
We've got
good
some
vibes.
We've got some early Christmas presents.
Yeah.
I really am loving Taylor Swift right now and always. So I've been gifted it's backwards on here, but it's the Taylor Swift All Too Well.
There you go.
It's the Taylor Swift All Too Well red scarf, which I love.
Yeah, and then I got some Jordan 1s. If you don't know, get to know.
Yeah.
But I put a video of them in now. So yeah.
So, and they're the ones with the red and the black rice.
Yeah, I got the bread pattern ones. Not bread patterns,
but
the breads.
there is a slight interesting story that I think we should tell them about the Jordans before we continue telling you what's
So we just do a quick story time because we need to go. We've got nail appointments and everything, so
we need to go.
So we need to get going. But your mum, her mum, my auntie actually bought them. You and my auntie bought them.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Brooke happened to tell me about them already. Like, I didn't know about them, and they're supposed to be a Christmas present. But Brooke actually told me, like, that night that I already had them. So I already knew about them.
I just can't keep a secret from you.
Yeah, so obviously I held it down and I didn't actually say, like, I knew about them.
And, like you weren't actually going to say to her, like, until Christmas or...
No, until I actually had them. I wasn't going to say, like, oh, yeah, Brooke told me. But, yeah, she just came downstairs today and just gave them to me. So I was like, okay, sweet. By the way, your daughter told me. So...
By the way, your daughter can't keep a secret.
Yeah. But anyway, that's a quick little story time. Yeah. We're going to get going and we'll see you when we're at the nail shop. Right, so we're just walking to the nail shop now. We're literally outside. So we'll show you when we're inside. Right, so we've just got out of the nail shop. Brooke, show your nails. I got a lollipop, but we're putting a clip now of our nails.
So guys, we're in Curry's and we've got to get a mic for our sort of phone camera setup. And yeah, we might find a new camera, and see what else we can get.
But we'll show you what we buy anyway. Guys, do you want to tell them what we got?
We've got a Wayvo little microphone
Yep.
for our camera.
It comes with the windshield cover as well.
Can't wait.
So yeah, now we're just trying to find the adapter for the phone, like the jack thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just trying to look for that at the moment. Can't seem to find it anywhere.
So guys, we're back from Curry's and we got the jack.
We found the jack.
We found the jack
We were
finally.
literally, when I was filming, it was like right next to where I was filming.
Literally. So we've set up the camera, so it's a bit more of a...
So now
with the microphone.
Now we've got the mic on it, it's all plugged in. But we're just charging the battery at the moment.
Yeah, and then we can like try and use it, see if it's good for us to film on.
So I thought we would update you guys on the mic journey.
So guys, now we're going to bake some vanilla cupcakes. We've measured out all the ingredients. They're going to be Christmassy themed, obviously, because for Vlogmas. So yeah, let's get to it.
So the cupcakes are now in the oven baking, and now we're going to play
Monopoly, because what other British board game could you possibly play?
exactly, but we have a special edition.
Yeah.
We're not going to tell you, we're just going to show you.
Yeah.
Let's get into it.
These are the cupcakes all done. They look gorgeous. I absolutely love them. So guys, the baking is all done. As you last saw in the last clip, all the cupcakes are done.
Got a bit messy.
It got a bit messy,
It did get a bit messy.
but it was a fun journey anyway.
Yeah, it was definitely fun.
Yeah, they look lovely in the end.
So yeah, we've had a good day. We've done our nails, played Monopoly.
Been quite busy actually today,
Yeah,
I think.
quite a productive
So
day.
it'd be a good vlog for you guys to watch.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for watching, guys.
Make sure you go watch Vlogmas Day 1 and Day 2.
Yes, and please like and subscribe and comment down below what you're thinking of our Vlogmas videos
And let us know what you think of our intro.
Yes, let us know what you think about that,
Yeah.
because we'd love to hear your guys' opinion on it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.